Luckily for us today, maybe not you guys at home, but all the crap's already missing. So it's open to, there's these 2/8 right here, and there's 2/8 right here. You just take these 4/8 out, and the taillight comes out. Only thing is, I think with this cover on, if it doesn't have an access port to these 2/8, you're gonna have to take all this off. It's very simple, but let's hope we don't have to go to that point. Unplug. Number 8's your friend. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one more number 8 right in here. So there's 4. So look at that. There's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/8 to hold this thing in. This gasket might be pretty glued, so take your time not to break it, but obviously if yours is already broken, who cares? Just break it off and order one of these and put them back in.